Hey people! So as you all know, I went on this trek yesterday. Uh, it was a literally it was a overnight 2 day trek, and so naturally I'm a bit tired. But you know what? Like genuinely, like when you are trekking, you take very few things with you because you have to carry it and walk, right? So, but among the things that I took was uh, not the entire box obviously. These are it's called these health gummies, yeah. What's up wellness. What's up wellness, the name itself is so cute, and this is how it looks. I had to open one the thing because I went with my child for this trek, and I was so particular that my child also eat it as a because it is here I've see after a trek one really looks tanned, but overall I've realized then that when you have these gummies, it kind of it changes the texture of the skin in a very good sort of way. You get a very translucent kind of skin. So I'll be honest, I made 3 videos on the same topic because I was like, yeah, this is such a good product, I want more people to know of it. But I was not happy with either of the 3 products, so either of the 3 videos. So I thought I'll reshoot it, and I don't know whether I'll finally upload this also. But really, yeah, this particular product, Sea Buckthorn, and this is completely I'm doing it on my own. Like in terms of, I like this product, that's why I'm speaking about it. It has these things like sea buckthorn, grapeseed, aloe vera, biotin, and essential vitamins. And really, when you have it, you get the that feeling, that this is good for health. So do check out their page, yeah. What's Up Wellness, it's called, and you can find What's Up Beauty, What's Up Wellness, and you can find them on Instagram. And they really made a product that is, it makes a difference to the skin, even if you're tanned in the hot